Really, smart city is about improving life for all our citizens. It is about inclusivity. It is about providing services in a much better manner and a much better way. Nowadays, residents expect access things in a better way, and I think that is where Manchester has to invest. In a way, invest to save, invest in smart city technology so that we can provide that inclusivity for our residents and the services that they want. Well, some of the challenges are quite big. I mean, take climate change, for example, but the solutions can actually be localized. For example, at a neighborhood level, we can improve the way we travel. So you are kind of dealing with climate change at a much localized level and actually dealing with a much bigger problem, which is worldwide. The other challenge facing is obviously making sure that our residents are equipped with the skills and qualifications to be able to access the revolution in digital technology. And that again is about education, improving kind of education at a young age, certainly, and schools need to be involved in that. Finance is clearly a challenge, but again, I think it's about working smarter, which is what Smarter is about, to overcome some of them challenges, because in the end, it's about doing more for less. Well, we've got graphene, which is a world-class technology that is actually happening in our city. We don't know the full implications of that at the moment, but clearly this is something that could change and revolutionize our lives. The other thing that we do, I think, is, I mentioned schools before, it's about code clubs. This is where volunteers go into schools, after school clubs, and teach teenagers how to program, and then every month they go to the Sharp project and have a kind of a monthly session there. So this is about involving people in this digital revolution at a very young age, and kind of helps us in terms of making sure that in future all our citizens will have that inclusivity in being able to access the jobs and that going to be created through this new technology. Clearly, the digital technology has a carbon footprint of its own, and Manchester was a pioneer in setting with the Manchester Digital Charter, which is now being kind of actually, other cities are following it. And what this means is, like, in terms of getting all our ICT into one place, and kind of, because we need to create that sustainability, because we don't want to be in the same position as we have been in before, because otherwise we will not be able to reduce our carbon footprint, which is again a challenge for the city, and not for the city but also throughout the world.